Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Samad and I am a student of grade 5 in Siddiq Public School. So today we are going to study matter and in its states in the part 3 of my lecture. So now let's start. As I told you in the last lecture that we shall study and learn definitions of changes in states of matter by heart. So now we will study them. As I told you that there are 7 changes in states of matter and they are melting, freezing, boiling, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, deposition or reverse sublimation. And then we shall study definitions. The number 1 definition is of melting. The definition of melting is the change of solid state of matter into its liquid state due to heat is called melting. And then the second one is freezing. And the definition of freezing is the change of liquid state of matter into solid state of matter on cooling is called freezing. And then the third one is boiling. And the definition of it is heating changes the liquid state of matter into its gaseous state in the form of vapors. This process is called boiling. And the fourth one is evaporation, and the definition of it is the change of liquid state of matter into gaseous state without boiling is called evaporation. And then the fifth one is condensation, and the definition of it is the change of gaseous state of matter into its liquid state is called condensation. And then the sixth one is sublimation, and the definition of sublimation is process of heating in which solid directly changes into gaseous state without passing through liquid state. And then the last one is deposition or reverse sublimation, and the definition of it is process of cooling in which gas directly changes into gaseous state without passing through liquid state. And then we shall study the examples. The examples of melting is an ice cube. Ice cube can melt into water, like you can see in the figure, and this is an example of freezing. Water can turn into ice by freezing. And then the example of boiling is that the water is boiling in the kitchen. And then the evaporation example is the ocean's water was evaporating. And then condensation example is that water on the mirror. And then sublimations dry ice, and depositions frosted leaves. This table will show all changes in states of matter. The number 1 is sublimation, and then number 2 is melting. This is evaporation, this is condensation, this is solidification, and this is desublimation. This is steam, this is water, and this is ice. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz, have a nice day and enjoy.